October 6th, 2020 Daily Math Review. Number 1. Rami has swimming lessons every 3 days and guitar lessons every 8 days. If he has both lessons on the first day of the month, in how many days will Rami have both lessons on the same day again? So, if he has both lessons on the first day of the month, in how many days will he have both of the lessons on the same day again? So that's our question here. Now, we're going to take a look at this, and our question hints to finding, oh yeah, the least common multiple. We're going to find it the next day that he has it again. So he has swimming lessons every 3 days. So I'm going to put that in a different color. And then he has guitar lessons every 8 days. Alrighty. So he's got swimming lessons every 3 days, guitar lessons every 8 days. This chart over here is what's going to help us. So Rami has swimming lessons every 3 days. So we're going to find the multiples of 3. So remember, the first multiple of 3, 3 times 1 is 3. The second multiple, or 3 times 2, is 6. That third multiple, or 3 times 3, is 9. That fourth multiple, or 3 times 4, is going to be 12. And we keep going. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and so on. Now, for multiples of 8, for his guitar lessons every 8 days. So our first multiple of 8, or 8 times 1, is 8. And then our second multiple, or 8 times 2, is going to be 16. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. Then it's going to be 40. And then 48. And so on. So now that we have our multiples, let's get our little circles out. Now that we have our multiples, we are going to see, all right, so what is the least, or that first common multiple? So what's the first one that they share? Let's see. What do they share? Do they share a 3? No. How about a 6? No. 9? No, we're getting close, though. 9 and 8, that's close. 12? No. 15? Nope, we got 16. 18? No. 21? No. 24, there it is, you guys. So 24 is going to be the first, not 21, my bad. 24 is going to be the first or the least of those common multiples. So this is in 3 days he'll have it again, in 6 days he'll have it again, in 9 days from that first day. So this is from that first day every 3 days. So our answer is going to be in 24 days he will have both lessons on the same day again. And that is our answer for that one. There we go.